Right guys, welcome back. This is the fourth and final part of our AK refurbished and just general cleanup, get it looking proper again. So I'm now going to start putting it back together and try and do this without as many hiccups as possible. So I'm going to try and now set my pistol grip back into the gun. And it might be a little bit tricky to get back in. So I've got a little magnet that I've connected this block to because it's pretty fiddly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and set it in the hole and then scrape the magnet off. So that's sat in the hole how I want it to be. Like that. So I'll just get this on and I'll be right back with you. Right, so now I just started the bolt slightly so I can now with my thumb move that block back as far as that'll go, and I'm just gonna try and hand tighten that a little bit just so I can set it properly, and then I'll get my screwdriver. Right, I've got this all started, so I'm just now gonna screw it in, and I'm pulling a little bit of pressure back so I can get my pulling length and my trigger pull sorted so it feels a bit better. So we've got our first piece back on the AK, and that feels lovely. I really like how the wood come out. So now I've got that bit in, I think I'll now put the safety switch in. Right, so now I've got the safety lever, so we are gonna put it into the keyhole type shape, and you have to just take the pressure off your trigger, and then that should be lined up, and then drop it down and take your finger off the trigger and you select the switch is fully installed. Right, so now we've got the pistol grip on, we're going to start the front assembly because we need to get three of the pieces positioned so we can get the top cover on the receiver on so snug you have to beat it into position. Alright, so we're going to set the front side post on, and this is the bit you got to line up with this. So what we're going to do is place it in that groove and get it lined up so we've got a nice bit of clearance, and I'm going to hold that still, take that off, get my little hex key screwdriver and just tighten it up. Alright, so the first bit we're going to do, we are going to place the fake gas tube inside your top part of your front grip, and then what we're going to do, put it in there, and then we're going to your gas block. So now that should hopefully all line itself up, so all you now got to do is tighten down the screws and that should all be perfectly lined up and ready to go. Right guys, I got a bit excited and made a rookie error. I completely forgot about your hand grip. So this, so yeah, we've now got that front piece in, so I'm now going to tighten that bit down, and then we can get the front, we can get the gas block on, and that should start resembling an AK47. We're just a couple of people who like playing around with our guns, just having something a little bit different. Right guys, now we've got this bit on, we're just going to finish off the front end of this rifle. So we'll get the front sight post on, and I'll try not to put it on back to front like I did in the previous video. Don't worry whether it's straight or not at the minute. We'll take it out to the range and straighten it all up perfectly. I'll just get it looking so you can see what it looks like as a final product. So I've got the front sight on, I'll just screw the muzzle brake on. Right, so I'll just get this on. I am actually going to refinish this muzzle brake, get it polished up and give it a little respray. So it looks good, and that's the front and sword. Now all we've got to do is put the metal bits back onto the buttstock and get the buttstock on the rifle, and that's now enough finished. Right, I just got the buttstock on, so right, now we're gonna set the butt cap on the stock. Right, so we've got the end cap on to our buttstock, and now we're gonna put the sling swivel mount back on. Right. I'm just gonna get this screwed in, and then we're gonna put the stock into the gun. So now we've got all the furniture back on the buttstock, we're now gonna slide it into our receiver and get this tightened down. Get your screw holes lined up. Second one in. We are actually going to shoot this with the other project gun we've been doing. We're just sourcing the last few bits, so hopefully that will be our next gun type video out, and then we might have a few fun things to show you. There might be a slam fire shotgun BB 6mm that we might get to see. And so I'm just gonna put the top bits back on, and it should all be good. Right guys, this is the home stretch, so all we've got to do now is put the spring in the fake gas piston rod, set it in, now with this gun sometimes your spring will get set like that because it's, your guides are so short for this rail that can get picked up, so just make sure it sits fully back flush against this, and all you have to do, because we lined this cover up earlier before we tightened everything down, just push it on, and now that's there. We're finished. And I must say, I'm really chuffed with it. I think that looks pretty good. I'm really chuffed with this. I can't wait to now get some CO2 in it, get some little 177 steel BBs, and give us a good testing. And I'm sure we'll film it all so you can see it too. And yeah, hope to see you again.